Right now I have Toyota Harrier. This vehicle has a problem with ABS on the dashboard, so today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem using my scan tool. The main fault code is C0205, which is front speed sensor left hand circuit. So meaning there is a problem with the speed sensor, open circuit, or ABS actuator. But most of the cases are open circuit or ABS sensor. So let me go and confirm. This is the right wheel, this is the left wheel. So let me remove the tire so that we confirm. Yes. So here the main problem is open circuit. Look at that wiring, it's very messy. So I'm going to correct. There is an open circuit with those wires. So I'm going to remove the ABS sensor. So you see, this is the ABS sensor. So according to this ABS, the main problem is an open circuit. Right now, where I am right now, I cannot access a new ABS sensor. So I'm going to try my best to make sure it works perfect. So I'm going to reinforce that ABS with another. See? So right now it's okay. As I told you from the previous video, you need to make sure things work, no excuses. So right now at least that ABS will work. So let me clear the code on the using the my diagnostic machine. Yes, let me clear the code. So no any fault code in the system. So let me read the live data. See it counting. So meaning right now the ABS is okay, even according to the graph. So the main problem was the open circuit. So I'm going to install everything back. So code C0205 is caused by an open circuit. When you see that code, the main culprit is an open circuit. So let's confirm. The vehicle is running, no ABS on the dashboard. The handbrake is supporting the way it's supposed to be. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.